Hey, so let's do a shop review on Etsy. This shop is, I think, top 5 in the last 30 days on Etsy. As you can see, they've got 1.5 million sales overall, and they've been around for quite a while. If we look at what it is, it's bridesmaid gifts, wedding favors, and decorations, which is a huge niche. If you're looking for anything to get into on Etsy, anything to do with wedding or bridesmaid is going to absolutely kick butt because there's a high demand for it. There's a ton of people on here. The demographic is perfect because there's a lot of younger women too who are either just getting married or are married or going through that. So you can see, usually, first thing I noticed up here is their banner is awesome. It's got 4 separate parts, and they just basically put products, their name, product, which is really good. They know what they're doing. They're a way bigger seller than I am on Etsy, so I love this. Their last announcement was here, December 11th, 2022, but this doesn't even matter for them. And if you notice, their announcement, and one thing that a lot of people should be taking note of, the first part of it contains the keywords for the shop. So a lot of people will make an announcement and say, we are having a sale right now, instead of putting the keywords for Etsy. So their store is all about bridesmaid gifts and wedding favors. And then birthdays and baby showers, I think they added on later because why not? And if you see here, right here too, bridesmaids gifts, wedding favors, bridesmaid gifts, wedding favors. So they're just repeating it, which is awesome. They also have pretty much any event you want to celebrate, sign up for a newsletter. I love this. Now, with them using Aweber, I'm going to go there. I can tell you that they've connected their shop to Aweber so that all their buyers are going on to Aweber automatically. And the process is, I mean, a lot of people didn't know or don't know, but with Aweber, you can integrate it directly with your Etsy shop so that when somebody buys, they'll be sent an email to confirm their subscription to your newsletter. Now, the confirmation email that goes out, so that it is called like quote unquote double opt-in, is kind of clunky. You have to go into Aweber and edit the confirmation message to make sure that people actually do confirm to get on your list. I always say like a healthy bribe is a good idea to get people to opt in as well. But if you want to see how somebody's doing email marketing, go on their list. So Mod Party, why hello there, subscribe and be the first to know about our exclusive sales, coupons, discounts, and more. This alone, if you do this for your shop, you're ahead of everybody else because 90% of Etsy sellers don't bother with email marketing. And I have whole boot camps on email marketing, and I love it when I see a shop that is really digging in with that. And now once you have them on your email list, you can send them your products, you can send them any sales you're having, and it's just going to bump up and accelerate your sales big time. So 2 key takeaways so far are keywords right here in the description and announcement, and just the fact that they're prompting people to get on their email list here means the signal to me is that they have also integrated it with Aweber on the back end as well. And if you go into your shop and Aweber, you can connect them very easily. So they have 1,498 products. They've got a whole bunch that are customized. They got bridesmaid gifts, mother. Now this is what I'm looking at here right now is Mother's Day gifts, because look at all this. This will give you ideas of what's actually selling and working well for Mother's Day. And it is all a lot of personalized stuff that they do. Actually, no, there is some generic stuff too. But like Plant Lady, if you look at that. Now, I don't know if Plant Lady is trademarked or not, but when you look at their listings and you see like Plant Lady, Amanda's Garden, Mother of the Bride, Mama, Mom, But Mom, Best Mom Ever, sorry, Mama, stuff like that. There are also like t-shirts and that just say mama on them, or mugs, or tumblers, these custom name ones. These are all things that you can do very easily even with print on demand companies. So I'm just going to scroll down just to look at, they've got reviews like pretty much daily because they're doing so many sales. But look at their updates as well. So 2 days savings have never looked this good. Shop now and save 25% off select items. Plus 20% off site-wide before these deals are gone. Sale ends tonight. They're announcing their sales. Good job. This weekend only. Announce. So this is what you do with updates. Announce your sales. save. That's 1 week ago. So they're running it, I think every couple days they're running a sale, which is cool. And then a lot of people don't bother with this part, but it looks like they are actually a pretty big store, I would say. Yeah, if they're putting pictures of that, that's probably their team. I don't know. Gift and favors for weddings, babies, and birthdays. Hi, I'm Hina, the designer photographer here at Mod Party. It all started shortly after my own wedding in my little apartment. Looking to keep myself busy, I asked my husband to help me make a website for my little handmade wedding favors, and before I knew it, I was designing photography and printing, packing, shipping orders daily. After a few years, found myself the perfect home here on Etsy, the perfect place for handmade designs. Our little company has grown and branched out into baby showers, birthdays, and more. We love working with brides, party planners, event coordinators, and especially moms. Feel free to drop a note just to say hi, XOXO. And then again, yeah, so Hina is like queen here. She gets it. She's got this nice personalized one. And then again, hey, sign up for our newsletter, right? This is the easiest and only way to find out about new exclusive sales coupons. So if you don't take anything else from this review, do this, please. And then there's their shop website. Let's click this. Probably comes back here. Yeah. And then this. Another website. So it looks like this is, I'm going to roll the dice here and say, I'm looking for Shopify in the bottom. But it might not be. Might be WooCommerce. Not 100%. You can always view this page source to find out. And all you do is Control F. No, it's not Shopify. Not WooCommerce. Must be something else. I could figure it out, but let's go back here. And they got another website. Event Blossom. Not sure what they're using on the back end, but could do some digging and figure it out. And Facebook. So they've got basically a bunch of websites. Shop members, yeah, here we go. So that's the other thing I wanted you to look at. This has 1.5 million sales on Etsy alone. That's the owner, right? And most of us are just the owner and designer, and we're the assistant, and we're the CEO, and we're the product assembly assistant, supervisor, and print production. Look at how many employees she has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 employees, and her. Okay, well, I think that's her husband, but there's more to it than just more production partners. Look at this. So these are all the production partners that they have. So this is a big time business, a big time shop. Look at their FAQ. I have a problem. How can I fix it? What's the current turnaround? I need my order fast. Do you ever have sales and coupons? Oh, again, like I love this. I love how they're focusing on this. Now, what I would suggest doing, I don't want to flood their email marketing, but whenever I see that, I like to call it, like people funnel hack all the time and they look at funnels. I like to go into the email and I'll enter mine, and then I just want to see what they're going to send. So that's how I've developed my own email systems pretty nicely. But look at all the mentions. So in the FAQ, they're mentioning the email. In the story, they're mentioning the email. Right at the top, in the announcement, they're mentioning the email. So that's 3 places on just this page alone. And I even haven't got to looking at the products yet. So yeah, like well done. So let's go to the product analytics and let's just view the whole store and let's see what their top selling products are. Analyze more. So they have 1,487 in here. Let's just go by total sales. We'll see what the big dog is. Bachelorette, party favors, bridesmaid, drink pouches, personalized pouches. Okay, so oh, that's cute. So bachelorette, party favors, bridesmaid, drink pouches, personalized drink pouches with straw pool, bachelorette ideas, and that's probably their SKU. But I'm guessing they got blanks from China and they're probably just doing the print in their warehouse. I don't know how they're doing it, how they're fulfilling it. But 1,116 reviews. So there we go. What I want to look at here is look at the title. there are no commas, no hyphens, no separators at all. It is just words. So they have bachelor party favors. Then it would be like party favors. Then it would be like bridesmaid drink pouches. Then it would be like drink pouches. Then it would be like pouches personalized. And then it would be like personalized drink pouches with straw. And then, so bachelorette ideas. If you're trying to construct your titles and you're like, how do I do this? Test this where you're not using any separators at all. And I'm guilty of putting separators in still because I think I have to, but slowly and slowly, more and more, I'm shifting to this format for the titles. Let's go to the description. And in here, the first thing they have is their kind of for SEO, right? Personalized drink pouches, cute gift for bridesmaids to use at a bachelorette party. There you go. So what are they? How do you use them? Awesome. Then some features. And then the details, which is good. Only one side is customized. That's good. Personalized instructions. Leave name in the box on the listing. We'll be sure to check the spelling before submitting. And then find more. So when people land here and they click this, they're looking for bachelorette party ideas. So they're sending them right back to the main store instead of a specific product, which is a good idea. So if you're taking anything away from the description, I typically use, honestly, ChatGPT to write these, and I'll include my tags, and I'll tell ChatGPT to say, write an Etsy product description for this product with the title blank, and then include the following keywords if you can, and I'll include all the tags, and then I'll put that right in here. Okay, and then details can stay the same, but then down here, they're just linking back to their store, which is really good too. And then we can view the tags on this as well. Just go to product analytics. And down here, you can see their tags. So let's go from highest to lowest. So they have a good mix. So look at this too. Do you notice anything? One word, one word, one word, one word, one word, one word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the 13 tags are one word. Then they have 2 word. Okay. That's got to give you a tip there. If you can get like half of your keywords to be, or your tags, these are the tags on the listing, to be one word, look at the volume that these ones get compared to what we usually do. A lot of people usually do is like 3 words or more. So this is something to consider too. Go to the big shops and look at their listings and look at how they're doing their titles, their descriptions, and their tags alone. That will help you to optimize your store to make it better. The key takeaway from this one I see is one word tags. So if you can get one word tags mixed in with some lower volume ones, so this will pick up the low volume stuff. But I mean, yeah, amazing job. So I love learning from sellers that are doing way more than I am, like these guys and this lady and her husband. They're kicking butt. Like, just find the big shops, look at what they're doing, look at all this too. They have a video. I always suggest a video. That's a perfect video for that. Another one, another one, another one. So they're using up all of the thumbnails here. That's a good idea. Put some ladies using it by the pool. They got some really nice shots, more ladies, more models. So they've used all of their images here. I mean, you can't really do much better than this. They know what they're doing. They're doing it really well. Even here in the personalization, little touches. Like they're using emojis. Like a heart, heart, heart. Like these small little subtle things just make it look even more professional. So select an option, name, Mrs. and last name. Like this is wild. For them to be doing personalization at that price, now if I go to 2, is it each? It's got to be each. Let's maybe do 5. Yeah, I think it's $3.96 each, but even still, they're buying these blanks somewhere, probably like by the trailer load, and then they're just probably doing it in-house, I imagine, because I don't know any print-on-demand suppliers that do drink pouches, although I haven't really researched it ever. Anyway, key takeaways are there. The shop itself is gigantic. And that's just their top seller. Then they have jewelry boxes. I mean, you can go through this. You can use Everbee to do so, but I think it's just a prime example of a really good shop. And any shop that's doing 1.5 million sales, they know what they're doing. And that's something that you should take cues from everything that they've got going on. Even as far as the featured listings, you know these are their best sellers because they're featuring them. So you can do this too on your shop. You can put featured items. And they've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm imagining those are the best sellers. And then this is their regular listings down here. You can even look at most recent, see what they're doing lately. And this gives you the most recent stuff that's happening. But if you were opening up a wedding shop, I would be looking at what they're doing for their sections too. They've got it so clear and so crystal clear, like, oh, I need a bridesmaid, bachelor party, I need some items. Okay, here, boom, go there. You got everything. Oh, I need birthday gifts. So that's a little sub niche, but that's fine. Wedding favors. Cool. Everything in there. Like, just well done. Awesome shop. Love it. 1.5 million sales means they're kicking absolute butt. So take notes. See if you have anything that you're not doing on your shop and apply it. And we'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.